Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in your Mazda CX-5. First, for your safety, please ensure your vehicle is parked. Next, turn on Bluetooth on your mobile device and make it discoverable. Then, on your Mazda Connect infotainment screen, select Settings from the Home menu, followed by Devices, and finally, Bluetooth to turn the setting on. Now, let's pair your device. On your Mazda's Bluetooth settings screen, choose Add New Device. Your vehicle will begin searching. Simultaneously, on your phone, search for available Bluetooth devices and select Mazda from the list. A 6-digit pairing code will appear on both screens. Confirm these numbers match to proceed with the connection. To finalize the connection, your Mazda may prompt you to grant permissions for syncing contacts and messages. Please allow these to enable full functionality. Once accepted, your phone will be successfully connected for hands-free calling and Bluetooth audio streaming. You can verify the connection by playing your favorite music or making a quick phone call through the vehicle's system. Should you encounter any connection difficulties, a simple restart of both your mobile device and the Mazda Connect system often resolves the issue. It's also a good practice to delete any old or unused Bluetooth profiles from your vehicle, as your Mazda can store up to 7 paired devices. Remember, your owner's manual provides additional model-specific guidance for advanced settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.